everyone, welcome back to SoftGPT. In today's video, we're exploring HiPDF, a powerful online PDF editor designed to boost your study and work efficiency. From editing text and converting files to adding signatures and merging PDFs, HiPDF offers all the tools you need right in your browser. Plus, with the advanced features like Chat with PDF to get quick insights, AI translation for multilingual document sharing, and document summarization to save time on lengthy reading, HiPDF helps you work smarter. Stick around as we dive into each of these functions and show you how this online PDF editor can streamline your workflow, whether for academic projects, business reports, or everyday tasks. You'll find the link in the video description, so let's get started. To begin, click the plus icon to upload your PDF. Select the file and HiPDF will open it up on the screen. The first option you'll see is the highlight tool, which allows you to mark important text or sections in your PDF. Next, we have the Add Text option, perfect for inserting new text anywhere on your PDF, whether it's for adding notes or filling out forms. After that, we have the Image tool, which lets you insert images into your PDF, and the Shapes tool for adding shapes to your files. Then there's the Sign tool. Draw or upload your signature to sign documents directly without needing to print them out. Moving on, the Edit PDF feature lets you modify existing text, add or remove content, and make quick updates. Then there's the Convert tool for transforming your PDF into various formats, such as Word, Excel, or PowerPoint. If you need to edit your document further or share it in a different format while retaining the original layout and content, HiPDF has you covered. It has successfully converted the PDF file into a Word document, allowing you to edit the text, adjust formatting, and make any necessary changes in a familiar environment. The Organize tool includes options to merge multiple PDFs, compress file sizes, split PDFs, extract images from PDF, or rearrange PDF pages. For demonstration, I'll show you how to merge PDF files. Select the files, and HiPDF will combine them seamlessly. With the Protect tool, you can add password protection to secure your PDF files, restricting access to only authorized users. Now let's check out the AI tools: Chat with PDF, AI PDF Translator, PDF Proofreader, AI PDF Detector, PDF Read. Let's check out Chat with PDF. This tool allows you to interact with your documents by asking questions about the content. Just type a question, and HiPDF provides relevant information directly from the PDF. It's a quick way to find specific details without needing to search through the entire document. This feature is perfect for getting fast insights, especially when working with lengthy files or complex information. Next, we have the AI Translator, a tool for converting your document into multiple languages, making it ideal for working with international clients. Just select your target language and HiPDF will translate the text, allowing you to easily share documents across language barriers. This feature is a valuable asset for anyone needing to communicate with a global audience. Finally, HiPDF offers pre-designed templates for resumes, contracts, financial reports, and more. Perfect for creating professional documents quickly, whether you're a student or a business professional. HiPDF makes editing, converting, and securing PDFs easy and powerful. The link to HiPDF is in the description below, so check it out. Thanks so much for watching. Comment if you have any questions, and I'll see you in the next video.